Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
B&Q is considered an essential retailer, so their stores remain open. You can also place orders for click and collect as well as home delivery on DIY.com. If you're thinking of doing some renovations, you can book virtual kitchen, bathroom and bedroom planning appointments too.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Curtains and blinds, rugs and mats, throws and blankets, wall art and picture frames, beds and mattresses, children's furniture, storage and shelving, wall shelves and brackets, garage storage and shelving, clothes and shoe storage, cleaning and laundry, window and glass cleaning, bins and bin liners, living room furniture, side tables, coffee tables.
Take our lead.
At B&Q we offer standard delivery, named day delivery and bulk delivery services to help you get everything you need for your DIY project, direct to your door. Find out more about our delivery services, charges and where we deliver to. We're making some changes to the way we make our deliveries.
Take our lead.
However, DIY shops can remain open under the government guidelines. The rules state essential retail includes food shops, supermarkets, pharmacies, garden centers, building merchants and suppliers of building products and off licenses.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Are all B&Q products available to buy online? We stock many popular products online, but unfortunately due to the nature and size of some of our products we do not currently sell the complete B&Q range online. However, you can research over 35,000 products and check range in your local store.
Take our lead.
B&Q stores have remained open throughout the coronavirus crisis. This is because B&Q has been classed as an essential retailer due to its selling home repair items. Non-essential shops then reopened on April 12 after having shut during the third national lockdown in England.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.